Let's draw Hello Kitty starting with the eyes. I always call out the key alignments that make a drawing actually look like the character. Like here, lining up the nose with the eyes in this way. The more you draw her, the better you get. And Hello Kitty is the perfect place to build that habit. You can line up the center of the bowl with the eyes, like this. The head sketch close up, and the body follows simply from there. The head close up with the outline, but there's no reason to stop before the full body. The full body stays simple. Check this, I line up the eyes with the hand's fingers, same alignment.